Sounds of the past and future.
Born rivals. They said it would never happen, but history repeats in fists and blood. Eubank Jr. versus Benn, the sound of sport TV. 30 years since the first war, now the sun stepped through that door. Legacy tighten every breath, two names dancing close to death. Eubank calm, chin held high, speed in hand, steel in eye. Benn comes hot, pure dynamite, smaller frame but full of fight. Middleweight clash with a welterweight soul, family pride, that ultimate goal. No drug test, no delay, they're both here to make them pay. Slam! Da-da-da, da-da-da. Let the boys be boys. Slam! Da-da-da, da-da-da. Make noise be boys. Slam! Da-da-da, da-da-da. Let the fist speak truth. Slam! Da-da-da, da-da-da. Tonight, no excuse. Eubank Jr. 37 deep, fought Groves and Smith, played for keeps. Only 3 defeats in the book, but every L he came back and shook. Benn's got 23, no stain, fast like fire, born for pain. Climbed up weights to take the shot, carrying Benn blood, and it runs hot. From 02 canceled to Tottenham live, nearly 1,000 days to arrive. Weigh in tight, no 10-pound cheat. Middleweight war, no retreat. Slam! Da-da-da, da-da-da. Let the boys be boys. Slam! Da-da-da, da-da-da. Make noise be boys. Slam! Da-da-da, da-da-da. Let the fist speak truth. Slam! Da-da-da, da-da-da. Tonight, no excuse. Eubank 11-6, like clockwork. Benn jumped 2 classes, fireworks. No fear, no fathers in the ring. This is their story. This is everything. Slam! Let the boys be boys. Slam! Make noise be boys. Let legacy ignite. Slam! This ain't just a fight. Born rivals. The sound of sport TV.
We understand that music is the heartbeat of sports. It's what drives athletes to push harder, what keeps fans engaged, and what makes every moment more memorable. Whether it's the pre-match anthem that gets the stadium roaring or the post-match track that helps players unwind, music is essential to the sports experience. We curate playlists that are perfectly aligned with the energy of each sport, making sure that whether you're preparing for a big game, running your fastest mile, or lifting your heaviest weight, you have the perfect soundtrack to keep you going. The sound of sport TV.